In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% completed save file in Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right-click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Navigate to Documents, open Spider-Man Remastered, random number. Before dropping the save, right-click on the blank area in Desktop and select New and select Folder. Name this folder Backup and press Enter. And drop the save files inside to take a game progress backup. Drag and drop the 100% save files inside this location. And now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select the 100% save profile and select the load game and select the 100% save profile and select continue. And the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.